back to my channel. Today we're going to be drawing a cute popsicle. So let's get started. So first we're going to be drawing a big curve. So now we're going to be connecting the lines on the bottom. Now let's draw the popsicle stick. So we're just going to draw a big ear like this. So now we're going to be drawing a chocolate drip. So we're going to be drawing a line like this and this. So now we're going to be drawing the eyes. We're going to be drawing a circle like that. So now we're going to be drawing the other eye. Now we're going to be drawing the highlight. Like that. So now we're going to be drawing the other highlight. Now we're going to be drawing the mouth. We're going to be drawing a straight line like that. And a curve under it. And for his tongue, a line like that. Now it's time to color. So, we're going to be using markers. So, we're going to be using brown, pink, and black. The black is for outlining. So, let's color. Outlining so the brown doesn't overlap on the eye. This is how it looks like. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Bye!